How about this? What if we are singing, we can use our kazoo to emphasize the sound of music. We can also use the kazoo to emphasize the sound of the language without the actual music. So how do we do that? We'll go back to the list where we practice with clapping, we practice with rubber bands, and now we're going to work on pitch change to emphasize pitch change, high, low, high, low, high, low, pitch change on the same words. We could do it like this. English, 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 English,
English, English, English.
Good. Now we also do instructor, 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 instructor. All right, very nice, okay? Curriculum, 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 curriculum. Good. All right, let's do the next one. Language, 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 language,
Language.
Good. Let's try the next one. Common, common, common.
Common.
Good. Let's try the next word. Community, 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 community. Very good. Let's try the next word. Important, important,
Important. Important.
All right, let's try the next word. Positive, 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 positive. Good. Now, you're going to teach me how to do the second column of words, right? Okay, so why don't you do this? Say the word and then hum the word. Ready? First word.
Happy. Happy. Happy.
Very nice, very nice. All right, try the second word, please.
Happiness. Happiness. Happiness.
Very nice, very nice. You're good at this. How about the third word?
Library. Library. Library.
All right, good. Next word.
Librarian.
Okay, try again. Again. Yes, very good. Excellent. Okay, try the next word.
Pronounces. Pronounces. Pronounces.
Very nice. The next word.
Pronunciation.
Try again, please.
Pronunciation. Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
Much better. Okay, the next word, please.
Phonology. Phonology. Phonology.
Very nice. And the last word.
Phonological. Phonological. Phonological.
Yay! You guys did a great job. So, what do you think? Do you like it?
Yes!
You want to keep the kazoo?
Yes!
You don't want to give the kazoo back to me?
No!
It's my gift to you. But please say that you're going to use it for your teaching, okay? Don't just put it in your pocket and then sit on it and break it, okay? Don't do that. Make sure that you realize this is a fun tool for singing songs and also for heightening awareness of stress, rhythm, and intonation. Because as you can see, not everything is easy to hear this way. But we can amplify the different stress and intonation patterns by using the kazoo. So keep this in your briefcase when you go to class. Keep this among your tools when you go to class and take it out. But you also probably need to practice a little bit at home, okay? So a lot of the word lists or vocabulary that you're learning, you think about it, not just the vocabulary, what it means and how to use it, but also how to pronounce it, because we need to hear how the pronunciation is, and we need to be able to stress the words in the correct position with the correct number of syllables. Does that sound good? Okay.